Menteri Kampo Iyeng jong kasakar jala uba alakaman remboi ulong bakalang ka bashitom haduh kata-kata yaki pulit mantuat lene man kiam yaki brio ki bakhai do yang tu kata ulong baki pulit mata ki duna brio haduh komba kharfas pangot iyai man pendap yaki jing rekam jongki ne ula kataru ki pulit la treshitom badon ki khap ha baki le kiam ru yaki no khai do yang tu
that thing. So having said that, the government is trying to do its best to stop all the illegalities with the thing. But having said that, there is also a constraint. The constraint, as you know, I will tell you from the point of policing. Now we have already advertised about 900 odd posts, which the exam is going on right now. And we will advertising 848 posts shortly. So we from the police department, we are there is a shortage about 1,800 posts, which is lying vacant in the state. I'm talking about only about those posts of SI and below. So, and as you know also, the MPSC is in the process of recruitment of the officers. So with this shortage, it is not possible for the police to do everything. But I appreciate they have tried their best, and we'll try to do our best to see that this thing is stopped. And moreover, wherever they get information, the police are trying to rush and stop the thing at one.